So the hole is drilled. Okay. Uy, se ve bien cool. Pase de largo. This step, they don't ask for this, but we're gonna go above and beyond. We're gonna try to thread the hole that we just made so we can screw this on more secure and add silicone and, you know, Teflon tape or the 9 yards so it don't leak through there. Let me see, how can I get this? Now what I have to do is screw this. In this step, once you take that 12mm bolt, you can install your, I don't know what this is called, but this goes towards the end of the block, and it's gonna feed it water through here just as well. Pressurized water from the jet pump strainer is gonna feed it all the way to the rear of the block, since according to Yamaha or people before me, the block always seems to mess up that cylinder due to overheating. Alright, it's fully installed, as you can see right there. As soon as you start tightening up the screw that they gave you in the kit, you can feel it pressurized. Now what I have to do is install my jet pump, connect this hole and the hole that I created through the hole, as like this, connect it here, and that's it. Should be getting water. I'm gonna check any leaks into the hole, but yep, this is it.